Hello everyone. So in this video I brought you MacBook Pro. As you can see, a brand new MacBook Pro for you guys. I'm going to do unboxing and tell you what's inside the box we have got and what it comes with, each and everything. And it's a brand new 2024 MacBook. It is I'll tell you which one I ordered. Is MacBook Pro 16-inch. As you can see, 16-inch, 1 TB in a space gray, very nice black color. So let's do the unboxing of this one. So let's do it. Okay, alright. So a beautiful packaging, as always. Apple make sure the packaging is perfectly fine, finely designed. So inside the box just comes with a beautiful nice black cable, which is really nicely designed. I'll open it as well with USB-C. And this is for the Apple charger. It's very nice, very long. I think it's 2 meters. Put it on side here. What we got in this one. So we have, as always, Apple stickers, which is in black because the color of the MacBook is black. So it's in black, and all the user manual, how to use, all the tips on how to use that. Put this on our side here. So we have 2 adapters here. This is one. No, we have the main adapter, which they all combine together like that. Yes, it's gonna go in there like that. I'll open this one. So it goes in there. Like that, and then you're going to attach the cable from here, and this side will go in this MacBook. So I'll show you as well in a bit how to do that. So that's all in the box. As you can see, it's empty. I'll put it on side. So let's come to the main package, which is the beautiful MacBook Pro 16-inch. Okay, let's do that. So it's beautifully designed. This is MacBook Pro. It's a very nice embedded, and with 4, it's quite heavy because it's big, as you can see from the sides. So it had the it's a HDMI. I don't know if you can see the HDMI port for SD card and USB-C. From the back side is speakers and everything. Fans are here. It's very solid build. So this is for the charging point. That's 2 USB-C and 1 audio jack, and that's pretty much. Let's open this beautiful device. So it's very nice and shiny. As you can see, it's very clean and the color is beautiful. So let's open this. So we have a long tongue mouse pad, the nicely designed keyboard, all the features I'll show you step by step. We have speakers on either sides, on right and left, and very nice feel for the screen. It's saying as hello. I'll show you step by step as well how to do that. Look at that, it's beautiful design. I'll show you step by step how to do that in this whole video. So we're gonna set up here. So first it's gonna show you this one. You have to select your language, whichever language you speak. I'm gonna go with English UK.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, we're gonna select next. Continue. So because I'm in Ireland, I'm gonna continue with that. You can select with your own country. Continue with that. And then not now. If you need any of these, you can select, otherwise you can select not now. Connect with your home Wi-Fi if you need, otherwise you can connect next. Yes, continue without it. So it's gonna select any Wi-Fi if you have. It's looking for that. Let me log in with my home one. Okay, continue for Mac Time Machine, or if you wanna move or migrate from that, you can do that. Otherwise you can say not now. If you have your Apple ID, go for it. Otherwise set up later. Yes, you can skip that. It's showing you warranty and everything. Just agree with that. You can enter that. You have to provide any detailed information, you have to provide that, account name, and then you have to provide the password. So let's do with that. XYZ, account name XYZ, XYZ. So you have to enter a password. Test. Continue with that. It's gonna create an account for you. It's showing your Wi-Fi here, battery time, and the country you are in. Keyboard is very nice. The touch bar is gone now in this one, so it's very nice. Cancel that. Continue. We'll just do it later on. So there's a touch ID they have given in this one. So I'll just show you. This is the one. It's for the security. It's like a fingerprint one, which is nice. You can set up with that, or you can set up later. So theme, whichever you wanna do. I'll go with auto all the time. There you go. We are in the Mac now. It's beautiful 16-inch, showing very nice, very fast as compared to the previous one I have. If you're a Mac user, you will know the difference in this one, and the keyboard and everything is so nice. Very nice. Battery timing is improved, and their display is really good. You can increase the brightness. If you know how to use, you know, so it's very nicely designed, especially because I got this one for my editing. I do a lot of photo editing, Photoshop. This is perfectly made for that. So I hope you like this video, and if there's anything else about Mac and any information you need, the prices you need, let me know in the comments below. I'll help you out. Thanks very much.